In Notepad++, there is an option in the View menu called View Current File In that allows you to launch the currently opened files through popular browsers like Chrome or Firefox. If you are using a different browser, unfortunately you cannot add it to the list. However, Notepad++ provides an option to open files in Brave or any other browser through the Run menu. Let's see how we can make use of that. Go to the Run menu and select Run, or you can also press the shortcut F5. Now you need to choose the location of the Brave browser's executable file, which is located inside the Program Files folder. Click the three-dot menu to select it. After selecting the file, click Open. To ensure that the current file can be opened through Brave, you need to add a command. Head to the NPP website and copy the full current path command along with the quotation marks. I will add it to the video description so you can copy it from there. Add a space at the end of the path and paste the command there. Click Save and you will get a shortcut mapper to set a unique shortcut to open the file in Brave. Give it a name like Open in Brave and click OK. That's it. Let's see if it works. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out my other videos and shorts. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.